ArcSite has everything foundation repair contractors need to get the job done. From the first line to the last dollar, we put time back in your day. Measuring a foundation site by hand takes time. Walking the perimeter, stretching tape, scribbling notes. ArcSite's AR scan changes that. Point your device at the structure, walls, corners, exterior facades, and get measurements accurate to within an inch.
Topographical Drawings. Drop elevation points directly into your ArcSite drawing. ArcSite generates contour lines and a color-graded heat map automatically. When your customer can see the grade and elevation changes in front of them, the scope makes sense. There are fewer questions and hesitation over the final number. They say yes, and you close the job.
Once your drawing is done, ArcSite calculates your material quantities automatically. Piers, concrete, drainage. Whatever your job requires, the takeoff runs from the drawing itself, not a separate spreadsheet. The result? A line item estimate that's accurate because the numbers came from the site. The estimate becomes the proposal, automatically, branded, professional, and ready to present on-site or send before you leave the driveway. ArcSite keeps everything in one place: the drawing, the measurements, the quantities, the quote. From the first line to the last dollar, the whole job lives in one tool.